Gattu Chinky made soup. It was a winter evening, and Gattu and Chinky were sitting in the living room watching TV. Both of them were sitting on the sofa, tucked under the blanket.
Chinky, give me the remote now. Yes, Gattu, just 2 minutes more. No, give me the remote now.
Gattu and Chinky start fighting for the remote. But then suddenly a new cooking show starts on the TV. Hello friends, do you also feel like eating something hot in the winters? So come, let us all together make this hot and sour vegetable soup today. Gattu Chinky stop fighting and start watching TV attentively because that vegetable soup was looking really yummy.
It looks so yummy, Chinky. Yes, Gattu. Surely tasty, hot, spicy soup. And it's healthy too.
Friends, first of all, we will cut lots of vegetables. And then Gattu Chinky watch the complete recipe of the soup. And then they also feel like drinking the same vegetable soup. They quickly go to the kitchen and say to Mummy,
Mummy, listen no. Yes, children, what happened? Mummy, we want to drink that hot and sour vegetable soup which we just saw on TV. Yes, Mummy, please make it for us too. What? Soup? Yes, Mummy. And that too now? Yes, Mummy. Sorry kids, I can't make soup right now. What? But why? Because kids, I've already made your dinner now. And anyways, if you drink soup right now, then you won't be able to have dinner. So soup tomorrow, okay?
After listening to Mummy, Gattu and Chinky get sad and go back and start watching TV. Next day in the morning, both of them say to Mummy,
Mummy, now we want soup for breakfast. Yes, Mummy, that too the same hot and sour vegetable soup. Children, you should have told me earlier. And anyways, if you drink soup now, then you will feel hungry before lunch at school. So you guys eat breakfast properly. And yes, both of you finish your milk too.
Hearing Mummy's words, Gattu Chinky becomes sad again.
Last night you said that if we drink soup, then we will not be able to have dinner. And now you're saying that if we drink soup, then we will feel hungry before lunch. Mummy, now we are not going to ask you to make soup. Hey, but why, Chinky beta? Because now I and Gattu will make soup ourselves in the evening. Yes, Chinky is right. We are self-dependent and we will make our own soup.
Mummy starts laughing after hearing Gattu Chinky's words.
Okay. But now have breakfast and go to school.
Gattu Chinky finish their breakfast and leave for school. But they had decided that after returning home, they will definitely make soup in the evening. And that is what happens. In the evening, both of them reach the kitchen. Seeing them there, Mummy says to them,
What happened, kids? Mummy, we are going to make soup. Mummy, please give us all the vegetables. What? Children, are you guys really going to make soup? I thought you guys were just joking. No, Mummy. We are absolutely serious. Yes, Mummy. I even noted down the recipe of soup from that show. What? Okay then. So, first tell me what vegetables do you guys want? I will cut them for you. Okay? Okay, Mummy. 1 minute. Let me tell you the names of the vegetable from recipe.
Gattu starts reading the recipe and then says to Mummy,
Mummy, we need sweet corn, capsicum, carrots, green chilies, beans, mushroom, spring onion, and yes, chopped ginger garlic. We all need this. Okay, Gattu. I will cut them all right now. Okay? Mummy, I will help you take out the vegetables from the fridge.
Chinky quickly takes out the vegetables from the refrigerator and then washes them. After this, Mummy starts chopping those vegetables.
Chinky, see, first of all, we have to heat 2 spoons of oil in the saucepan.
After listening to Gattu, Chinky puts oil in the pan and lets it heat on low flame.
After this, we have to put green chilies, chopped ginger garlic in it. Okay, Gattu, done. Now, when it turns brown, we have to put rest of the vegetable and cook them till they become soft. Okay, Gattu.
Chinky puts the vegetables in the saucepan. After this, she takes the recipe from Gattu and Gattu starts frying the vegetables in the saucepan. Mummy was standing there and watching both of them working together. After this, Chinky said,
Gattu, now we have to put red chili sauce, soya sauce, Szechuan sauce and tomato sauce in it.
Gattu does exactly what Chinky says.
Okay, Chinky, done. Now add pepper powder, salt and 2 cups of water. And then we have to boil it for 5 minutes. And then our soup will be ready. I have done all this. Yay, Chinky. Now just a little more waiting and then our hot and sour soup will be ready.
In 5 minutes, the aroma of hot soup spreads in the whole kitchen.
Wow, kids, amazing. Looks like your soup is delicious. You will let me taste it too, right? Yes, of course, Mummy. Okay, look kids. I had kept some garlic bread to bake in the microwave along with the soup. Now we will enjoy it with the soup. Okay. Yay! This will make the soup taste even better, Mummy. Yes, why not? Now both of you sit on the dining table. I will take out the soup in a bowl for both of you. And with it, the garlic breadsticks too. Okay, Mummy.
Gattu Chinky sit on the dining table. And then Mummy brings the soup made by them in 3 bowls. And breadsticks in a plate too. The 3 of them sit together and drink hot soup.
So hot. Yes, Gattu. So hot. Chinky, we both turned out to be a master chefs. This piping hot and sour vegetable soup is so yummy. Yes, in winters, drinking this hot makes it even more yummy. Really, kids? I think that in the future, you both will cook even better than me. No, Mummy, this can never happen. Because you make the best food in the world. Yes, like these garlic breadsticks. The soup tastes even better with them.
Then what? Mummy, Gattu and Chinky enjoy their winter evening like this together. With hot soup and garlic breadsticks. You've got a parcel from Puntoon Kids.
Oh, it's here. Kids, why don't you go and open it? It is for you. Wow, Mummy, there are so many products in it. What is fishing fun, Mummy? I will give you one letter and you have to pick that letter with the help of the fishing rod. Wow! So we will learn letters while fishing. And see this, it is called fishing fingers. It will help you improve your eye-hand coordination. Hold this lace and try to put beads in it one by one. Mummy, it is a very cool gift. It has so many products. We are having a lot of fun with it. What box is this? It is Puntoon Kids Learning Box, which we are presenting for the kids of nursery, junior KG and senior KG. If you also want to order this box, then click on the link provided in the description or you can send a WhatsApp message or call on the number given below. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.